Are you looking for a video about how to multiply whole numbers? Then this video is right for you. So without much further ado, let's begin. Hi! Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is ROWEL CARPIO, a math teacher and a coach, and I do math tutorial in my YouTube channel. If you have been to my channel before, welcome back. And if it is your first time to visit my channel, hit the subscribe button found below and hit the notification bell for you to be notified every time I upload new video. And if you think that the content of my YouTube channel is worth sharing with others, kindly share it with them. And don't forget to leave a comment on the comment section found below. Gracias! In this video, I'm going to present to you how to multiply whole numbers. So how do we multiply whole numbers? We can use the long multiplication method to find the product of larger numbers greater than 10. For example, when we multiply 253 times 12, we can do it this way. First, we multiply 253 times 2. To give us 506. Second, we multiply 253 times 10 to give us 2,530. Why 10? Because the digit 1 is found in the tens place and it has a value of 10. That's why we multiply it by 10. And then finally, we can add our initial products 506 and 2,530 to give us the final product of 3,036. So, meaning to say that when we multiply 253 times 12, it will give us 3,036. Now, we can also do it this way. So, using our example earlier, 253 times 12, we can write the numbers in vertical form. And then, in multiplying the numbers, we can start multiplying our digit 2, which is found in the ones place, and we are going to multiply it to 3, which is also found in the ones place. So 2 times 3, 2 of 3 will give us 6, and we have to write here the 6. Next, we have to multiply also the digit 2 to our 10th digit, which is 5. 2 times 5 will give us 10. Since our initial product is a 2-digit, we have to write the 0 in the tens place and we have to regroup 1 in the hundreds place. And then next, we have to multiply the 2 to the hundreds place, which is also 2. So 2 times 2 will give us 4. And then we have to add this 1. Plus 1 to give us 5. So our initial product is 506. And the next, we are going to multiply the digit in the tens place, which is 1. So digit 1 is found in the tens place and it has a value of 10. So this 1 times 3 is just the same as 10 times 3 to give us 30. So 1 times 3 will give us 3, and since we are multiplying now in the tens place, so therefore we have to write our initial product in the tens. So we have 3, and then we have to write here 0. So 1 times 3 will give us 3, or 10 times 3 will give us 30. And then 1 times 5 or 10 times 50 will give us 500, or 1 times 5 will give us 5. 1 times 2 will give us 2. And then we are going to add the initial products. 0 plus 6 will give us 6. 3 plus 0 is 3. 5 plus 5 is 10. So 0, regroup 1. And then 2 plus 1 will give us 3 to give us a product of 3,036. Now, aside from this long multiplication method, we can also use another method or our alternative method in multiplying numbers. We call it as the lattice method. So we will be using the same numbers, 253 times 12. So in using the lattice method, we are going to use columns and rows. So since we have 3-digit number, that's why we have 3 columns. And our multiplier 12 has only 2 digits. That's why we have also 2 rows. Now, the number 253 we are going to put on top. So 1 digit per box. So 2, 5, and 3. While here, we are going to write our multiplier 12. So 1 and then 2. So we can start multiplying this 1 and 3. 1 times 3 will give us 3. Since we need to put 2 digits inside each box here, so we have to put here, instead of just 3, we have to put it 0, 3. That's why our initial product, we have 0 and 3. Next, 1 times 5. 1 times 5 will give us 5. Since again, we need 2 digits, that's why we have to put here 0 and 5. Next, 1 times 2 will give us 2. So again, we have to put 0 and then 2. Next, we will be multiplying these 2. So 2 times 3 will give us 6. So we have 0 and 6. 2 times 5 will give us 10. Since 10 is a 2-digit number, so we have to write here 1 and then the 0 here. And then 2 times 2 is 4. So 0, 4. And then after that, we are going to add all our initial products. So 6, we will write here 6. Since no other digit to be added to 6. And then 3 plus 0 will give us 3. 0 plus 5 plus 1 plus 4 will give us 10. Regroup 1. 1 plus 0 plus 2 plus 0 will give us 3. And then we have 0. So our product is this. You have 0, 3, 0, 3, 6. Or we can just simply erase the 0 to give us 3036. Now let's have another example. We are going to find the product of 472 and 34. Or 472 times 34. So, using the long multiplication method, we can start multiplying our ones. 4 times 2 will give us 8. So, 8. 4 times 7 is 28. So, we are going to write here the 8 and regroup the 2. 4 times 4 is 16. Plus 2 is 18. So, we are going to write here 18. Next, we are going to multiply the digit in the tens place in our multiplier. 3 times 2 is 6. So, this is equivalent to 30 times 2 to give us 60. So, we have 6 and then 0. 3 times 7 is equal to 21. So, 1, regroup 2. 3 times 4 is 12 plus 2 will give us 14. And then we are going to add our initial product. 0 plus 8 is 8. 6 plus 8 is 14. Regroup 1. 1 plus 8 is 9 plus 1 is 10. 0. Regroup 1. 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 4 is 6. And then bring down 1. To give us the product of 16,048. Now, we will be using also our lattice method. So, again, we are going to write here the digit 4, 7 here, and then 2. While on this side, we have 3, and then we have 4. We will be starting to multiply the 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 0, 6. 3 times 7 is 21. 2 here and 1 here. 3 times 4 is 12. So 1 here and the digit 2 is here. Next, 4 times 2 is 8. So 0, 8. 4 times 7 is 28. 2, 8. 4 times 4 is 16. 1 and 6. After that, we are going to add our initial products. So you have 8, just bring down 8. 6 plus 0 plus 8 is equal to 14. So 4, regroup 1. So 1 plus 0 plus 1 is equal to 2. Plus 2 is 4. plus 6 is 10. So 0, regroup 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. Plus 2 is 5. Plus 1 is 6. And then bring down 1. So our product is 16 and then 0, 4, 8 to give us 16,048. It's just the same with our long multiplication method. So it is now your turn to answer the following exercises. You just simply answer the following question. So you are going to use each digit once. The digits are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 to form two numbers. What is the greatest possible product of these two numbers? If you are done answering, you can comment your answer on the comment section found below. So there you have it, how to multiply whole numbers using the long multiplication method and the lattice method. I hope that you have learned and enjoyed watching this video. See you again in my next video. Thank you.